In this video, we'll be learning more about logical operators. So, to start off, I'm going to real quickly create an if statement. I'll have a variable called int x. For now, let's call this 2. 2. Okay, so what I want to do in here first, we'll say if x is less than, say, 3, then do something. Let's do something like cout hello. Okay, if I build and run this, it'll just say hello. There you go, it says hello right there. Now one of the changes that I could do is let's set this as 21. Now what I want to check is that if x is less than 25 but greater than, say, but greater than 18. So I'll say if x is less than 25, and then inside that if I'll have another if statement saying x is greater than 18, then I'll do cout hello. Okay, so now when I build and run this, it will say hello because it is less than, basically it is less than 25 and greater than 18. Now let's turn this down to something, turn this up to 29. So now when I build and run this, it will not say anything and it'll just stop right there. And if I was to say something like 17, then and if I build and run this, it'll just it won't say anything. So this is, but the problem is this is extremely inefficient. What I can do is I'm just going to copy this x is greater than 18 real quickly. So I'll right click, or rather I'll just press Control C. Yeah, Control C, or rather Control X will do just fine. I'll remove this if statement real quickly, and in here what you can do is I can say if x is less than 25, and so for and you use 2 ands, which is shift and 7 twice, and then just paste in the other one. So it does the same thing except in just one line, so that just to reduce the size of your program, and just to make it work in a very efficient way, we can do that. Let's just make it 24, 22. Okay, I'm going to build and run this, and as you can see, we can get that. Now what if I wanted x to be either less than 18 or more than say 60? But now what it will do is it'll try to see if x is less than 18 and greater than 60, which is not really possible. What I want to do is I want to check if x is less than 18 or greater than 60, and then run this. So to use all I will do is just do that. So this is shift and the key above your enter key, which is pretty easy to get to, actually, just above the enter key. So now, or return key as some might say. Now as you can see, x is not less than 18 or more than 60, so let's set this to less than 18. I'll set that to 17, and if I build and run this, I get hello. Now another thing I can do is set this to something like 61, and if I build and run this, I'll get hello. So yeah, that's all for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.